Okay, on the back side, you're going to go under, over, under, over, under, over, under. And then pull all the string through. Like this. Now you're going to turn it right here, and you're back to the knot. Now, remember with the paper weaving, you're going to do the opposite of what we did on this row. But with this knot, it's kind of hard to tell what that first string, the opposite's going to be. But if we look at the second string, we can see that we went under here. So this one was over then. So we're going to go under the first string, over the second string, under the third string, over, under, over, under. And pull all that string through. Now I used two different colors of string for this, and I thought it would show up differently, but it kind of looks the same. The warp strings are orange, and the weft strings are red, but I guess they're just really close together. So I'm going to put it a little bit closer. Can you see how that's the opposite? It's very important. If you accidentally go the same way, you'll have to take it out. So it went over here and under this one. Under here, over that one. Over here, under this one. Remember my knot, I didn't know how that one went, so I look at the second string and I went under, so I know I have to go over here, so that means I have to go under the first string. That's how I figured it out. This one is kind of complicated. This is the hardest step, but after you get that, it's easy because you're just repeating the same thing over and over again. So now we're on the back side. This first row, we went under, so we're going to go over it, under the next one. And you're going to continue pulling the string and moving from the front to the back, from the front to the back, weaving both sides. Now, if you happen to take your string and accidentally go the same way, like I did here, do you see how this row is the same as this one? Just have to take that string out and start again. So before you move to the back side, double check and make sure the rows are alternating, that they're different. Then you flip it over to the back side. Now, don't weave front and then go back to the front, then back to the front, back to the front, and you're weaving only on one side and nothing on the back side. You'll have to take all of this out if you do that. So you want to weave on both sides of the board. And you'll continue that until you run out of string. Now, when you run out of the string, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the weaving cart. You can change colors now, or you can use the same color. It's okay. And you're going to 3 double arm lengths, cut it, bring it back to your seat, cut the needle off of this one, tie it to your new string, and the end of your old string and then your new string tie together in a double knot. And then you just keep going.